manage your real world. That's entirely bug-free. Call me the bug-killing Toby.
They're staying with me! If this is your first crossing, listen up! There is no water till we reach the other side. And you better keep up, because if a predator catches you, you're on your own. Move out!
Don't you see? It's perfect. With him out of the way and no heir to the throne, I'll take over and rule the Empire. Brilliant!
Stay.